everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sangeeta and आपको outfit देख के पता चल ही गया होगा कि what's my plan for today's video. So we are creating this beautiful minimal wearable beginner friendly Barbie makeup. I know आपने ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल देख चुके होंगे बारबी मेकअप के ऊपर, बस इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी बिगिनर फ्रेंडली wearable and minimal makeup tutorial. So if you're someone who love minimal beginner friendly wearable makeups, then this video is for you. So if you are interested, keep on watching. It's going to be a very minimal Barbie inspired wearable makeup. I thought कि थोड़ा सा easy and minimal करते हैं ताकि you guys can actually wear this makeup look. And I'm gonna start with this product. This is the MAC Prep Plus Prime in the shade Golden Light to get a dewy base. Next I will be using this Swiss Beauty Real Base Makeup Primer. I am going for a dewy base, so this gives a very natural dewy finish. So I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks. You guys know how much I love this product. So we are using another primer. This is the Smashbox Original Photo Finish Primer. I'm only gonna apply this on my T-zone because वहीं पे ही sweating थोड़ा सा होता है, तो I'm gonna only apply here and थोड़ा सा नोज पे. So the skin prep is done. Next is foundation, and for foundation we have this Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. You guys know how much I love this product. So I'm gonna take 2 pumps on the back of my hand and next I'm gonna use this Too Faced Born This Way concealer to hide all the imperfection. Now I'm setting my under eye with this Fit Me Loose powder. Only the under eye because I will use some cream product. So I'm not gonna set the entire face abhi, baad mein kare. Next I'm gonna use this bronzer from this Try Sugar Fierce palette. Let's take a brush. So I'm using this this type of slanting brush to apply the bronzer. Make sure to blend it really good ताकि कोई harsh line ना रहे. So now I'm gonna top it off this blush with a powder blush, and this is the Swiss Beauty powder blush in the shade Just Rose. So now comes the most interesting part, which is eyes, and I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette for eyes. So this is the palette. Look how beautiful this palette looks. So we are gonna do a very minimal eye look, don't worry. So I'm gonna start with a transition shade. So I'll be using the shade Happiness from this palette. This is the very muted purplish pink. So I'm gonna apply this pink all over my lid. So now I'm taking this Knoll blending brush to apply the same shade on my lower eyelash. First I'm using the shade Hypnotic from the Naughty Nude palette. Then I'm gonna top it off with the shade Happiness from the Rose Gold palette. Very easy and simple, so that you guys can easily recreate it. So let's complete the eye look with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I love this mascara. This is one of my favorite, and we don't need fake lashes after this mascara. So I'm gonna use 2 generous coat of this one. So this is how my lashes looks after only one coat. So this is that good. So my eyes are looking really pretty. So next we are gonna apply some highlighter. So as highlighter I'm gonna use this shade called Love Stone. So it's a very creamy, I don't know how to describe it. If you have the palette, you know. I'm using the Love Stone shade. So I'm gonna use this as my highlighter. Gives a very nice, soft glow. So yeah, I mean it looks very natural and healthy. uh, Whoa. Ooh. So we are almost done. Last step is lipstick, and for lipstick I'm gonna use these two. This is the uh, steamy pink lip liner in by Mass Cosmetics, and this is the lip shade from Pack Cosmetics Moody Matte in the shade Sweet 16. So I'm gonna apply these two. So I think we are done. Let's wear all the accessories, and I will show you the final result. So this is the final look. It's very wearable, minimal, yet very Barbie. I think it's turned out pretty good. I really like this makeup. What do you think? Let me know in the comment. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is linked in the caption. So bye bye. See you next time.